Now, corresponding question. Sketch the resultant MMF wave for two-pole three-phase balance winding when phase A carries Im by 2 current. Consider the each belt of winding as a current sheet of uniform current density. Means current sheet of uniform current density means that is uniformly distributed winding. That is Okay. Now, first of all, draw two-pole three-phase balance winding. Okay. Make first of all stator like this one. This is stator. This is stator. Okay. And this is rotor. Here this is two pole, that's why it is north pole, and that is south pole. Two pole machine like this one. And three phase, it means and like this. Okay. Phase shift, if this is A dash, that is A. If you A, that is A dash. Okay. And also uniformly distributed winding, that's why represent like this one. Okay. After 120, phase B dot, that is also dot. Okay, that is B. And this is also uniformly distributed winding, that's why like this one. And this is B dash, that is B dash. Okay. Now that is 120. After 120, that is C, that is C. And this is also cross C dash. Okay. It is clear. This is three-phase balance winding, three-phase two-pole balance winding. Okay. Let turns per phase that is N. Okay. Phase spread, side is equal to 60 degree. Okay. That is standard notation. First we make standard notation of three-phase two-pole balance winding. Okay. Now three-phase armature balance current three-phase balance armature current. Suppose that, let us consider IA this equal to Im cos omega t, and IB this equal to magnitude are same, and phase shift omega t minus 120 or 120 minus omega t, cos of omega t minus 120 or 120 minus omega t, sorry, IB. And now last one IC is written as cos omega t plus 120. It is clear. Now corresponding to question, when phase A carries Im by 2 current, when at instant, now written as at instant Ia this be equal to Im by 2 means Im cos omega t What about cos omega t, that is 60 degree? What about IB at that time? IB is written as Im cos 60 minus 120. It means Im cos 60, that is Im by 2, no doubt. What about IC? IC is Im cos 60 plus 120, that is Im, it is minus Im, means IA this equal to Im by 2, IB this equal to Im by 2, but what about IC? IC this equal to minus Im at that time, at an instant when omega t is equal to 60 degree. Now, how to draw MMF diagram? Okay, our motto, resultant MMF diagram, how to draw. First of all, make it. First of all, draw at balance winding. This one, okay. Now machine is open corresponding to this one. Okay, that is first of all A dash, after that C, B dash, A, C dash, B. First A dash with sign cross. What about C? That is dot. What about B? That is cross. What about A? That is dot. What about C? That is dot. The C dash, that is cross. And what about B? That is dot. Represent like this one. That is standard sign convention. Okay, corresponding to three-phase two-pole machine. But at an instant omega t is equal to 60 degree. What about IA? Im by 2. What about IB? Im by 2. But what about IC? That is minus Im. What is the meaning of this one? I know that if a current Im going through like this one, minus Im, or you can say that it is minus plus Im, represent like this one, both are same thing, means C dot cross C and C dash. Okay, if IC this equal to minus Im and IC this equal to minus Im, means you can also represent like, if IC written as plus Im, means direction of current is opposite, that's why I represent like this one. Clear? Now you can also make this one, if IC this equal to plus Im, you can represent like this one. What about polarity? What about direction of current? Here cross after minus plus Im, it is represent like, sorry, minus Im, direction of current represent like this one. Okay, so IC represent cross and IC dash this represent dot. Okay, it is, what about IA? IA is Im by 2, and what about IC? That is plus Im. What about IB? And this is I by 2 Im, and this is also written like this one. Okay, first of all make it. Very important part of this is the very important part of this MMF diagram. Okay, now make it. I know that I have already discussed cross sign represent plus and dot sign represent minus. Let turn per phase is n. Finally draw MMF diagram. Resultant MMF diagram when IA this will be equal to Im by 2, IB this will be equal to Im by 2 and IC this will be equal to minus Im. Okay, that is MMF. Now you know that n into Im by 2 and this is uniformly distributed, that's why it is represented like this one, and you can also written as NIM by 2. After that this is cross, that's why plus, that is cross, this is also like this one, and this one is NIM, and after that n into Im by 2, NIM by 2. Okay, now dot sign means negative MMF, that's why like this one linearly decreases. Dot polarity, this is also decreases, and dot polarity Im by 2 represent like this one. Okay, this is NIM by 2, this is NIM, and this is NIM by 2. Okay, finally our motto, that is neutral axis. Cut the midpoint. Okay, and this one NIM, that is 2 NIM. Okay, NIM by 2, NIM by 2 and NIM by 2, this is also written as NIM, and this is NIM. Okay, what about peak MMF? Peak MMF, that is NIM. It is clear? Make it. Resultant MMF diagram. Finally complete resultant MMF diagram. Okay, when IA this is equal to Im by 2, like this one. Okay, make it. And peak MMF value is NIM. This is NIM. This is also NIM.